Yeah.
I mean, I have pictures of all of us. Because he was in a picture taking today. I think I have like one photo with her. I have one of her. We were both like this with the phones up, so I got a picture of her like she's standing like that with her phone.